Dangote truck drivers have barricaded the Harcourt Expressway, bringing traffic to a standstill in protest against what they claim is an unjust action by a task force. According to reports, the protest began after a task force allegedly punctured the tire of a Dangote truck.
They said that people punctured their vehicle. Where's the car?
The car is there now. Look at this car. This car now.
This one?
Look at the tire.
Okay. I've seen it. Look at it, punctured.
In action, the driver viewed as harassment and an impediment to their operation. This event is not isolated, but part of a recurring issue involving Dangote trucks and regulatory bodies. Just weeks ago, the National Association of Polytechnic Students threatened a nationwide protest following a fatal accident on August 17, 2025, involving a Dangote truck that resulted in the death of an Auchi graduate. The association demanded better safety measure and accountability from Dangote plc, highlighting a pattern of recklessness and inadequate response to road safety concerns.